Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Looking at PCLN NVDA TSLA NFLX CMG on the daily weekly time frame. So PCLN is consolidating in a healthy manner. It's a bull flag at this point, and the bulls bought the dip so far off of 1908. If we can see some follow through tomorrow and break the high of today of 1927, that will go a lot further in terms of convincing the bulls that our higher low has been established. So 1927 is resistance, 1944 after that, and then we're filling the gap, which is why this is an intriguing dip to potentially be buying due to the lack of resistance if we see continuation. So the correlation to the overall market is still strong. We're going to be watching that. The weekly time frame is trying to see follow through from that big bullish week last week. We're certainly holding the middle Bollinger Band with ease at this point and just looking for a close up around 1930 ideally for this weekly candlestick to be looking good. NVDA, extremely strong follow through. We held that hourly higher low. 187.26 held. We held it by about 50 cents, and we closed at the high of the day. We're on the verge of an all-time high if we break 192.95, and we are just less than $2 away from that point. So our hourly higher low still very much intact, meaning the bulls are still very much in control. Weekly time frame trying to close above the upper Bollinger Band, which it has not done in about 5 months. And we're looking to close above 190.19 by the end of the day today, or the end of the week this week, to close above that level. Tesla on the daily, rejecting from the middle Bollinger Band for the 4th time in the last 6 days. Did see a little bit of follow through from that strong close yesterday, but unable to close above that level. So we have our low of the pullback, high of the bounce, higher low, and we need that higher high by breaking 360.10 to get over this middle Bollinger Band and see that follow through for the bulls and to see a bullish MACD cross to go along with it. The weekly time frame for Tesla is an inside bar showing this tightening range, and if we do get that higher high on the daily, we will be on our way to confirming this bullish reversal candlestick and trying to head back towards that all-time high. Netflix on the daily, also healthy consolidation at this point. We have an inside bar on the daily to be watching tomorrow with support of 193.81. Resistance is 196.22. And if we break support, we're looking down at 192.10 and then 190. But as of this point, this is a bull flag of consolidation, and we're looking to see if the bulls can show up while keeping 192.10 and try to see some progress forward from that point. If we break that point, we know that consolidation is more than normal, healthy, short-term bull flag consolidation, and we are likely to see more downside. Netflix on the weekly time frame is also seeing strength, but just a bit of consolidation. We're well above the exponential supports, holding them easily. So I'm looking at Netflix for a name to buy this dip on, because if you saw Google, what Google did today, it had brief consolidation and then big time breakout continuation. Google's looking for an all-time high. Facebook's closing in on an all-time high, and Netflix is certainly still within striking distance of its all-time high. CMG on the daily, inside bar favoring the bulls. 312.59 and 314.50 are resistance, and the 50-day moving average resistance that has rejected the high of the bounce to this point is going to be at about 315 tomorrow. So we'll have to watch the 50-day moving average resistance. We're watching these inside bars, and we're going to be watching for the bulls to follow through, because I do like the weekly setup right now. We still need some follow through, but we're on the verge of the bull MACD cross. The RSI is coming off of the sub 30 level, and we're trying to close over these exponential resistances on the weekly time frame for the first time since this pullback from under 500 began. So we pulled back about $170, $180, and now we're trying to see this reversal, and we need higher lows and higher highs, and a higher high would be a break of 326.45. So lots of bulls out there. NVDA all-time high is likely tomorrow if we see any kind of strength in the market. Bulls buying the dip on PCLN, looking to buy the dip on Netflix, and we'll see if they can get some follow-through back to recent highs. I appreciate you watching and hope you have a good night. We will see you tomorrow.